Hi, Tony Strong here at the Exertis Almo E4 in Teaneck, New Jersey. We're here talking about our ARYA Cloud CMS platform for digital signage. The ARYA Cloud system is one that is designed for the end user. It's designed to be so simple that if you can upload your own Instagram posts and Facebook pictures, you can combine that with a hardware piece and create your own compelling digital signage at any level for any user. So here, today, we're also talking about our hardware options. We're now expanding hardware options so that we've got the actual hardware for any kind of budget. So I'm Tony Strong. We're here at Spinetix. We do digital signage unlike any others. Don't specify half a project where you just put hardware in a project. Also include the software, and we've got multiple options for that. So I'm Tony Strong here for Spinetix at E4 in New Jersey. Come say hi.